Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to our bird series. Today we are talking about a beautiful bird, and this bird is called the Woodland Kingfisher. Actually, it's one of my favorite birds. The Woodland Kingfisher is one of Uganda's most colorful birds, found in woodlands, farmlands, and even near homes. With its bright blue wings, white chest, and striking red beak, it's impossible to miss. Unlike many kingfishers, it doesn't rely on water. It often hunts insects, lizards, and small prey from perches on trees and wires. Something about them is that they are loud, and their ringing calls are one of the clearest signs that the rainy season has arrived across much of Africa. So for many, its voice literally announces a new season. Therefore, in many communities, its call is more than just a sound. It's a natural signal. Farmers and rural households often associate it definitely with the rainy season, and sometimes renewal and start of planting seasons. So it becomes part of the rhythm of life and survival. And for us, some of the lessons that we pick: one is the Woodland Kingfisher teaches timing and bold expression. It doesn't hide its voice. Therefore, it announces its presence clearly and confidently. So, like this bird, there are moments in life when you must step forward and be heard. And when it comes to environmental impact, by feeding on insects and small creatures, it helps control pests and maintain ecological balance. It plays an important role in both natural and human-influenced environments. Therefore, protecting it supports healthier ecosystems. So, next time you're able to see this bird and you're able to hear the sounds, know there is a change in season. So, you can always let us know how you call it in your language, or in your village, or where you stay. We'll be glad to learn something new about these birds. You can always share your experiences too for others to learn. So thank you for watching and listening. Have a wonderful time.